Alright, so I'm just going to do a quick rundown of my legendary cards. So let's search. So in Druid I've got Scenarios, which isn't bad. King Crush for Hunter. Problem now is Call of the Wild is 9 mana, so having 3 9 mana cards in a Hunter deck is kind of not great, let's say. And as for the neutrals, we've got Brand, Bronzebeard, Morrows, basically all the ones from Karazhan. Elise, Prince Marcosar, Emperor, Reno Jackson, Curator. Again, these are all from Karazhan or Blackrock Mountain. Ragnaros is one I made. Deathwing I got from a pack. This Deathwing I also got from a pack. Nazoth came from a pack, and Yogg-Saron I crafted. Now, 1260 dust. I want to make. Where is it? This guy, Yasharaj. So let's do it. Just gonna disenchant a golden card. This guy. And Yasharaj. Let's do this. I'm not sure actually. Should I get Sylvanas instead? Oh god. Ah, screw it. Yasharaju it is. Alright. That's that.